Well, hello. Yes. Well, now, that was quite a shock. It's extremely nice to meet you. Now, my name is Fulton Greenwald, and I am looking for an Ace Ventura.
No man here carries with him a label.
What? Oh, yes. No names. How silly of me. Well, he's an American.
We are all children of the same life force.
Yes, of course we are. Well, he bends over and he speaks from his rear.
Oh, him. Right this way. He came to us a broken man. He had lost the will to sustain his existence.
Yes, I heard about that unfortunate accident with the raccoon.
It was terrible for him. But the life force once again smiled upon him. He's now at peace. I will wait here.
Quite. Well, no harm done. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fulton Greenwald, and I'm sent here to employ your services in the retrieval of a lost animal. Now, can you help us?
Your request is not unlike your lower intestine. Stinky and loaded with danger.
We can pay you handsomely.
I am now a child of light. Your earthly money holds no appeal to me.
$20,000.
I cannot, for I am sorely needed here at the ashram.
If I may interject, we are short of space, and it's important for you to use your talents. Let me help you back.
But I am yet to attain omnipresent supergalactic oneness.
No, wait. There it is. You just attained it.
I have.
Yes, just now. You are one. I can see it in your eyes. You're more one than anyone.
What about my medallion of spiritual accomplishment?
Take mine.
This took you 80 years to achieve.
That's okay. I don't like it anymore. Really.
In the light of this personal sacrifice you've made, I have no choice but to take the case.
Great! I'll go tell the others.
Master! Break it to them gently. I've never seen them act like that before. Denial can be an ugly thing.
Well, we should go, Mr. Ventura. I've arranged a plane.
I'll meet you at the bottom. There's still one more thing I must do before I go. It's incredible! It's gonna be some kind of a record!
Everyone loves a slinky. You gotta get a slinky, slinky, slinky. Go, slinky, go!
Oh, man! Can you believe it?
It was right there! Can I do it one more time?
Please forgive me, sir, but if we don't hurry now, we might miss the plane.
Of course. How selfish of me. Let's do all the things that you want to do.